Okay, let's get right into it. Make sure you click the free version if you don't want to pay anything and you want to sign up for an account or you want to sign in. I already had an account, so I'm already signed in. So let's get right to it. On this part, you want to go to I'll skip and just upload everything manually. You want to go through all the questions about yourself, click continue, and just answer everything about yourself. On this part, you can file however you want to, but I'm doing single. On this part, you want to put all of your information, put your first name, last name, all of the info about you. For occupation, you can put an occupation, but for this example, I have Pepsi. Pepsi is also the EIN that I will use too. Keep going through and just continue and answer everything correctly about yourself. You want to review this and make sure everything is right. Anytime they offer you any type of products, they want to upsell you. Do not buy. Keep everything free. Keep on clicking continue. In this part, you want to click employee so you can put the W-2 information in. Just keep on clicking none of the above. Hit continue. Right now, you don't want to agree to anything, so just do not agree and click continue. Now you want to put your employer's EIN, and for this example, I'm using Pepsi Bottling Company. On this page, you want to make sure you scroll down and click enter W-2 manually. On this part, I used Pepsi Bottling Company, and I used their EIN, and I used their street, their zip code, and everything else to fill in automatically. Now you want to put in the income. So in the income, you want to look at the tax bracket, because this box you can literally put any number you want, but you have to make sure that it's within the tax bracket you're looking for. So for this example, I'm using $83,500. And to find out how much taxes were withheld from this amount, you want to go to the tax brackets and you want to see how much it is. So we put 83,500. So it's over 41,775, but not over the 89,000. So therefore, it's $4,807.50 plus 22% of what goes over the 41,775. So let's just do 83,500 minus 41,775 and see what we get. So we got 41,725. So there you have it. The excess amount is 41,725. We need to know 22% of that. We need to know what 22% of that is. So what we do is we'll do minus 22% in our calculator, and it should give us the total, $9,179.50. Then you want to add that to the $4,807.50 originally. And that's $13,987. And that's the number you want to put inside the federal income tax withheld. Now we move on to the Social Security wages and the Medicare wages. So these are going to be identical, and you can put them anywhere $3,500 to $5,000 below the actual wages. As you can see right here, I put it about $4,500 away at $79,000. Now we have to see how much taxes do we take out. So for Social Security, we have to take out 6.20. So you want to go to our calculator and you want to put 79,000 minus 6.20%. And that's our number. $4,898. And that's the number you want to put on the line. Then we move on to Medicare. We can see here is 1.45%. So we go back to our calculator and we type in 79,000 minus 1.45%. go, $1,145.50. But you can just round it up or down to the nearest dollar. And that's with all the boxes. You could just round all of these boxes to the nearest dollar. They don't want to deal with cents, just nearest dollar. And now we scroll down to the state, but telling you right now, the state won't be ready until the 9th or the 10th of January. So you can get it ready, but you won't be able to file it yet. You can only file right now the federal. So for the state, put your state. And then for the state ID number, you want to put the same exact EIN for Pepsi that we put above. And for the state wages, you just want to put it about $10,000 above box 1. So if you need to, go back up to box 1 and put it about $10,000 above it. And then you want to go see how much taxes will be taken out in your state. For Illinois, it's 4.95%. So I'll go to my calculator and I'll type in 93,000 minus 4.95%. And there you go, $4,603.50. But we just rounded off to 4,603. And you want to put that in box 17. And then you want to scroll up and down the page and make sure everything is correct. When you're done, click continue. This is the part where it'll show you how much federal refund you'll get. $2,843. And I did not skip any pages in this process. I wanted you to be able to see how it looks firsthand. Click continue for deductions. Take standard deduction. And click continue. Go to the credits. Click continue. You want to click no here. And then you want to click no here again. Click continue. Click continue. No to virtual currency. Click continue. If you received this, you want to put the 6-digit PIN in. If you did not, click no. Click continue, unless you want to donate. And this right here is exactly how much you'll be getting back for federal. Taxable income, $70,000 and some change. That's from the deduction. I told you that you can't file the state until the 9th or the 10th of January, so it doesn't matter on this part. Now let's review everything and make sure everything is right and make sure we don't get any type of lights. You want to click no thanks here. You don't want any upcharges. And this right here is just double check. Checking alerts, checking warnings, making sure everything is right. And as you can see here, 0 alerts, 0 warnings. Perfect. Continue. It's just checking again for missed deductions and missed credits. Everything is good to go. Click continue. Continue. Click continue again. And there you go again. They want to upcharge you. No thanks. And for this part, click no thanks. No, I'm not interested. Then you can choose a mail paper return or you can e-file. Do not add this to order. Click continue if you want it for free. Click continue again. And for this part, I just signed this part. And you can check how exactly you want your return. Direct deposit, on a card. This is the card option, just showing you exactly how it looks. And you will have to sign here to give consent so you can get the card. But most people, they'll use the direct deposit method. Which is right here. You can get it deposited right into your bank. Or you can also just get a check. It'll come to your mail. Put your bank information in here or someone else's and you're good to go. I will be back with more videos. I'll be back with a video on how to file the state, which will be a lot more, maybe $15,000, $20,000 more. And also I'll be back with more videos just to show you how to file taxes. If you worked hard the whole year and then you go to a tax preparation place and they charge you about $1,000, you could just do it for free online by yourself and get all the money to your bank account. But other than that, once again, I hope this video helps someone that's in dire need. I do not feel good and comfortable knowing that people are out here struggling, and you shouldn't either. Peace out.